Jumping right in. When you open the app, it's gonna look just like this. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the plus button, the little purple plus button right there. And then once you click on it, you're gonna scroll down to templates, and you want to go ahead and click on all templates. And then you go to YouTube. For that one, since I have the free version, it's kind of limited. It only has banners. So you want to go ahead and click on Facebook covers because it's the same dimensions as the YouTube thumbnail. So once you click on them, you go ahead and click on any of the free ones, and then you go ahead and delete whatever picture is on there. Because you don't need it, you're going to put your own thumbnail background and everything on there. So once you finish removing all of the pictures that came with that size, you go ahead and import the pictures that you would like to use for your thumbnails. And then as you guys can see, I put all the pictures that I am going to be using all at once. I wouldn't recommend that because you're not going to have enough space to maneuver. You want to see everything you're doing, so you can always just import stuff one at a time. But all I'm doing here, this is a background that I want for my thumbnail, so I'm just making it the same dimension as the thumbnail. And then you see the little black line on there. I didn't like that, so I cropped it out, and then I just made the background the same size as the thumbnail. And then that white little circle there, I deleted later. I just forgot it. It was part of the old picture. But here I'm just going ahead and changing the background because I don't like it white. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit different, and you can do that by clicking on the little background. Use the little cutout function to make the pictures pop out a little bit neater and nicer. And then I'm trying to just find the placement for it, how I'm gonna put it, where it's gonna work, what it's gonna look like, and that's all I do for the most part. Just gonna play with it, and that's just a screenshot of this exact video or this exact thumbnail. I don't know, I didn't know what to put on it, so I just took a screenshot, and that's what's going on the fake phone and the PicsArt little emoji or whatever it's called. And then I put that there, and then me, so you know when you're watching the video. Bye. And so I don't know if you ever wondered how you can get the little glow. You just click on border, and then you can get the little glow on your cutouts. Even the phone can get that. The little PicsArt character can get it. But I'm just playing around with it now, just trying to find a placement for everything and just see where everything goes. And then, like I said, I didn't know what to put in the little fake phone, so I just decided to put how I edit my thumbnails. And how I did that is just by pressing the little T and then for the little text, and then it'll just pop up a little box, and then you can type. And then once you finish typing, the little fonts will pop up right on top right there, and then you can just go through them and pick which one you want, as well as which color you want, style, all of that stuff. So you can just play with it, make it how you want it to be. And I was trying to only use PicsArt to do my thumbnail for this video, but I didn't really like how the print worked out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also use Phonto, the Phonto app, and also it's gonna be free for the most part. So all I do is I just get the pictures and the big images on PicsArt, because that's easier, and they can get the border on it and things like that. And then I just take a screenshot once I'm done, and then I head on over to Phonto. And also because PicsArt, I don't think not all of the features I used are free. So if I wanted to save it, it'd probably like make me pay or something. So I just take a screenshot and yeah, free picture or free thumbnail. Don't tell PicsArt that though. And I opened Phonto. How do you say Phonto? I don't know. I opened that app, and I don't know if you guys were watching. I was talking about something else, but I already have a pre-saved thumbnail project. I just called it a project, but I have a pre-saved thumbnail that's exactly the size of a YouTube thumbnail. So I always click on it, click on the picture that I want to be my thumbnail, and then I just size it to that. And then I go ahead and add the text I need for the thumbnail, like my title or whatever the case is for this video. Is going to be easy thumbnail tutorial, and I go ahead and type it in Phonto because I like the text and like what you can do in Phonto better with text. So I'm just gonna type that in and play with it, and that's all I do. I try to only use one app, which was PicsArt, but I just didn't really like their text and what they were working with, at least the free version. So we're gonna use Phonto for text and PicsArt for pics. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing here. And then also quick little fun fact, you can also save the color that you use on, for the project right there on the side with the little dashes. That way, if you have multiple words or multiple things that need to be that same color, it's right there, and you don't have to worry about if it's the same exact pink, or if it's the same exact purple, if it's the same exact black. I guess you can get different shades of black. Anyways, you just go ahead and then the stroke is just how to make them a little glowy or light up or however it, little bubble looking effect. And I did my black for this one, and yeah, I'm just playing with it now. I'm trying to see where or what it's gonna look like. You know the drill, trying to make it my own, trying to make it pop. And have you subscribed yet? Because if you haven't, what are you doing? You're probably watching this video. So yeah, finish watching it, and don't forget to subscribe when you're done. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Play with it and see, how it works best for me, and or what I want to do with it. But it turns out I didn't really want to. I don't know. Like I didn't like how the thumbnail kept sticking out and blocking my how in my fake phone. So I decided to switch it up. Well, at first I decided to add a background to see if that would help. It didn't. But so I decided to add a background. It didn't help. So I took it out, and then I decided to switch out the layout a little bit and see, because I didn't like how the thumbnail was. See how it's blocking how. So yeah, we're switching it around. We're playing with it. We're working with it. And I don't know if you guys, how do you remove the background once you've added it on Phonto? Anybody know? Comment down below, because I don't know. I was satisfied with my work. I also wanted to show you guys how I get these little pictures, like the phone and the little PicsArt icon, whatever you want to call it. I don't know why I don't know how to speak, but yeah, the icon. So you just, do I show you guys? I think I do show you guys. Let's keep watching. Let me see. It's coming. Okay, there it goes. So what I do is I go to Google or Safari. I go to Safari and then I literally just type in what I need. In this case was iPhone PNG or Phonto PNG or PicsArt PNG. I don't know what PNG stands for, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot. I remembered when I was looking it up and now I don't remember. So you just look up whatever you need, whatever item you need, PNG, and then bam. Alright, you guys, that's it. That's how I use Phonto and PicsArt to make my thumbnails. I hope you found some part of that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, y'all, so stay safe out there. Wash your hands. Treat others how you want to be treated. Smooches!